Hello students, how are you all? So today we have already been discussing about the division chapter, and we have till now we have discussed about the two or three digit numbers without the remainders, and we have already discussed about the two digit numbers with the remainders. So till now we have discussed this much. So now we'll be doing the another part, that is three digit numbers with remainders. This is how it is. Division of three digit numbers by numbers 2 to 10 can be done using division. So how we'll be doing it? Let's see. There are some of the solution over here. Like 245 divided by 2. So how it is done? That is 245. So we'll be dividing one single digit one by one. So first is 2. Yes, 2 does come in the 2 table. So we'll be writing here like this. And when we'll do the minus, that comes 0. So next digit will come in the second step. That is 4. 2 2s are 4. Yes, students. So 4 does come 2 times. So we have written it. When we'll do the minus, so that is come 0. So next steps, that is third step, we'll be writing here 5, the third digit, like this. So after that, we will find out the smaller digit which is there in 2 table, that is 4. So we'll be writing here like this, and we'll do the division. So when we'll minus it by 5, it comes 1. So what is the quotient? That is 22, and the remainder is 1. So students, this is how we have to do the division part with the 3 digit numbers. As it is, we'll be discussing this part also. 5 divided by 369 divided by 5. So we'll be writing here like 36. Does 36 comes in the 5 division? No, students. But yes, a smaller digit does come. So we'll be writing here 35. How many times does it comes? Yes, students, 7 times. 7 5s are 35. So we'll be writing here. So when we divide 36 by 35, what will come? 1. So we have written this 1 over here, and the next digit will automatically comes down. That is 9. So does 19 comes in the 5 table? No, students. So what the another digit is? Like 15. How many times? 3 times. So we have written this. So 5 3s are 15. So when we will minus the 19 from 15, so we'll get the 4. Okay, students. So the quotient is 73, and the remainder is 4. So now let's do some exercises here, which are given in 5.6. The long divide using long division. So first we'll do the (373) divided by 2. So we'll be writing here 2 and 3. Okay, students. So does 3 come? No. So 2 ones are 2, like this. So 3 minus 2, that is 1, and automatically the next digit will come down like this. So in the 2 table, how many times does a smaller digit come? Yes, students, 16 does come, and which is smaller than 17. So that is 8 times. So we'll be writing here 8 here and 16 over here. So when we'll do the minus, that's 17 minus 16, that is 1. And the next is 13. That becomes 13. 113. So how many times does 13 comes? 13 doesn't come, so we'll go for the smaller digit, that is 12. 2 6 are 12, so we'll be writing here 12. Okay, then 13 minus 12, that is 1. So we'll be writing like this, 183 as quotient and remainder is 1. Okay students, this is how you have to do the 3-digit number division. So students, now we will be doing the another exercise, that is 761 divided by 7. So we'll be writing here 7 and 761 here. So 7 ones are 7 minus, that is 0. Then we'll come down with 6. So this 6 will be more smaller than 7. So we'll be writing down 1 also here. So does 61 comes in the 7 table? No students, 61 doesn't come in the 7 table. So we'll finding out the smaller digit, that is 56. Then 7 8s are 56. So we'll be writing here 8 and 56 here. So when we do the minus, 61 minus 56, that comes 5. So this is how we have to write it down. So the answer will be, the quotient is 18 and the remainder will be 5. Okay students, this is how you have to solve all these questions. Once again I'm telling you students, please learn the tables, otherwise you won't be able to solve the division exercises. In maths, it is really important to learn the tables. So now we will go for the another one, that is 8 738. Okay, 738 divided by 8. So we'll be doing it by, so does 7 will be the more smaller digit than 8 also. So we'll go for the 2 digit, that is 73. So does 73 comes in the 8 table? No students. But yes, the smaller digit does come, that is 72. That is 9 times. So 8 9s are 72. So we'll be writing here minus, that is 1. Then 8 will be here. That becomes 18. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Yes students, 16 does come, that is smaller than 18. So we'll be writing here 2. 8 twos are 16. So what will be the remainder? That is 2. 2 will be the remainder. So how we will be writing it? Like quotient is 92 and the remainder is 2. Okay students, now we'll be doing the another one, that is 10 divided by 782 divided by 10. So we'll be writing here 10 and 782. Okay students, so does 78 comes in the 10 table? No students. Yes, but yes, 70 does come. So that is a smaller digit, that is 7 tens are 70. So we'll be writing here, do the minus, that comes 8. Okay student, yes, 78 minus 70, that comes 8. So we'll be writing the next digit, that is 82. So does 82 does come? No students. So we'll go for the another small digit, that is 10 8s are 80. So we'll be writing here, that is 2. Okay students, this is how you have to do it. So we'll be writing here the quotient, that is 78 and the remainder will be